Hello everyone, today we are going to study second chapter of English literature, which is a poem. The name of the poem is In Morning Dew. What is morning? Morning is the very first time of the day. Okay, morning time we will find the scarecrows in the fields. Now I think you must know what is scarecrows. Actually scarecrows are one kind of creature which farmers used to keep in their fields or in the farms to scare. So this poem is written by a contemporary Indian poet whose name is K.K. Nasiruwanji Daruwala. Okay, so we are coming to the text, which is starting. As it is written here in the very first line, in the morning dew, the scarecrows comb his hair. As you can see in the picture, looks so disturbed. So in the morning, the time of the morning is the working time for a scarecrow. At that time, it used to be active and his work starts at this time. So he just gets ready in the morning by combing his hair, which is not in actuality he is combing his hair, but he just makes upper appearance of him and just gets ready to do his work. In morning light, the scarecrows pry. In morning time, the scarecrows become so alert and awake. You know that he has had a good night's sleep. There's no work for him, so he used to take a perfect sleep for him, and he doesn't have any need to do any kind of work at night. After that, he is now in a fitter state to spy. So when he has taken the good sleep at night, so in day he is completely ready for spying the animals and the birds. On shouting monkeys and the porcupine, he shouts on the monkeys which used to come in the field, and the porcupine, which is one kind of an animal which used to have spines on its body. He gets to see everything all the time. He can see everything on all the time, which in actuality he is not able to see. He just watches the thing which is around him. It looks like he is watching, but it is not a liveful thing, so it cannot watch in actuality. After shadow which lazes about till the evening snuffs the fellow out, as he can see everything, the crows, the porcupine, the monkey, but he cannot see his own shadow, because in the morning time or in the noon time when the sun used to be on his head, he cannot see his shadow which is around him. He can see the shadow only in the evening when the sun goes behind him and his shadow comes just in front of his eyes. Okay, after that we are coming to the second stanza. Whether he sees the season come and go is a thing that you and I may never know. But as busy as he keeps an eye on all the bird traffic passing by. Means he says, whether he sees the season come and go, means he is able to see the season, means it is going, it is cold, winter and summer. That is a season that we should know. He may never know. But as busy as he can see what thing is passing by him. On all the birds he can keep an eye. Some questions always bother him. How seasons come and go. We the human can come to know which season is going on, which season is not going on, which is past. But as he is the scarecrow, he doesn't know which season is there and which season is not. The way the season to go and fro, he doesn't know who is getting in. As if any kind of season is coming and is going, he doesn't know what season is actually moving on. So he doesn't know the exact time of the season. He doesn't know is it autumn, or he doesn't know is it winter. Something he should surely know. But as the poet is acting that as he looks like a complete human, so he should know something about the. After that, he knows he shivers in the cold. He doesn't know about the season, but he knows how to shiver in the cold, which actuality he doesn't shiver. In the summer he will fry, as in summertime, as right now summer is going on, so we used to feel hot, so he used to also feel hot, as it seems like that he is frying, but in actuality it doesn't happen so. Do season come up from the ground or they draw from the sky? He doesn't know. Do the season come from the ground or it does come from the sky? Are questions that have bothered him. So these are the questions which is related to season, which always bother him and do not reply. And he just always used to feel in confusion that which kind of season is going on, and it cannot answer him. To keep questions out and in. He bolts his upper story's door. Means what he wants, he just keeps his question inside of him, and he just keeps the answers, doesn't let go inside of it. So what he does, he bolts his upper story's door. He just completely his upper story closed, means his mind. Then he wonders why on earth his head goes round in the circle, for while seasons circle round and round like oxen on a threshing floor. Then he just wonders that why he is not able to understand, and why his head is just looking like a earth, as earth moves around, the same according to his head also. So means all the work which is told in this poem is, it is told like as a human being does, but in actuality he is looking like a human, but it is not a human. He is just a scarecrow, we can say, just a simple kind of statue which is made by the farmer to scare the crows, to scare the other animals which harms the fields and farms. Okay, so this was the poem. Goodbye everyone. I hope you will study it in a better way, and you will understand the explanation in a better way in this way.